Hi, I'm Jake Lett. Are you a designer, photographer, or consultant looking to showcase your creative work online? If so, my Jake Portfolio HubSpot theme can help you market your skills and expertise in no time. Regardless of whether you're looking for a full-time job or just freelancing on the side, my theme has you covered with the right templates you need to get started quickly. Now let's take a quick look at how easy it is to customize the design and edit the content. First, I'm going to create a page using the Style Guide template. This template makes it easy to visualize the impact of any global style changes you make. Once the page is loaded, I click on the Design tab, and then click on the Edit Theme Settings button. By default, the theme will pick up the brand colors you have set in your site settings, but you can override these to whatever you want. You can also update fonts to any included in the free Google Fonts library. Now I'm going to update the global header. Here you can add your social media profile links, or change the header layout from left justified to centered. Using the Styles tab, you can easily change the colors or fonts of your logo. The portfolio listing page can display your projects in a masonry grid of various sized blocks. For a cleaner layout, choose the block grid option. When adding a portfolio project image, you can select from image left, image right, centered, or full width. If you'd like to view a live demo of this theme, please click the preview link in the description. And if you have any questions or feedback on how this theme could be improved, please let me know. Thank you.